Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on energy saving on your MacBook Neo. To do that, navigate to the battery icon in the top right corner of your device's screen. On the menu bar, click the battery icon right here, and to manually enable it, just click low power. This will instantly turn on the energy saving, but if you want to schedule it, you can go to battery settings right here and then change the low power mode from never to only on battery or only on power adapter, and this way you will only have low power mode enabled in one device's state. Of course, it's not exactly scheduling since we don't have any particular timestamps in here, but still it's pretty useful. So yeah, basically to quickly enable it, just go right here and click low power. To schedule, go to battery settings and set either on battery or on power adapter, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.